what happened to your body when you run for 30 minutes every blessed day? When you run for 30 minutes as a man every blessed day, what are going to happen? What will happen? That is what I want to share with you in this video. And this is the same thing as the health benefits you are going to derive when you run every day for 30 minutes. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what will happen to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel and you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell to always get notified each time I publish video. Now, what will happen to your body when you run for 30 minutes every blessed day? If you want to live a healthy life, make sure that you run. If you want to increase your performance, make sure that you run. But today's video, I am going to share with you some benefits, what will happen to your body each time you run for 30 minutes every day. Number one is that running add years to your life and add life to your years. Yes, when you run, it makes you healthy. It increases your immune system and minimize anything concerning your body system. And with this, it will help you to add years to your life and add life to your years. So running is very good. Number two benefits you are going to derive from running, or what will happen when you run for 30 minutes every day, is that it strengthens your muscle. As a man, for you to have muscle, for you to have a healthy body balance, you need running. And you know that running is part of exercise. When you do this, it strengthens your muscle and make you perform well as a man. Number three benefits, or what will happen to your body when you run, is that it helps you to maintain a healthy weight. For those that gain weight consistently, if you run for 30 minutes every blessed day, it will help you to reduce weight and to minimize it. With this, you will live healthy, you will perform well, and you will also have a good body system. Number four benefits you are going to derive from running for 30 minutes every day is that it will help you to have a good sleep. Yes, if you run every day for 30 minutes, after running, take a shower, eat good food, relax, go to bed, you will sleep better. You will have enough sleep. You will see yourself sleeping like a baby. So make sure that as a man, you run every day for 30 minutes to help you sleep better. And you know that when you sleep as a man, that is when you have a good blood flow and blood circulation. And with this, you will always respond when the need arises. You will always perform well and you will always last longer as a man. Now, number five and the last, which is very important and will help all men. Men need this number five. Men need this exercise to get this number five benefits. And once you run for 30 minutes every day, you must get this number five within a short period of time or within some weeks or months. That number five is that when you run for 30 minutes every day, it will help you to increase your testosterone and minimize it as much as you want. If you run for 30 minutes every day, it will help you to increase your testosterone. I hope you know that running is an exercise, just like jumping, weightlifting, jogging. So when you run for 30 minutes as a man, it helps you increase your testosterone. And with a good testosterone in your body system, It will help you to perform well. It will help you to respond. It will help you to increase your libido. It will help you to have a good immune system, and also help you to have a good erection and to maintain erection. And for you to have a deeper voice, a good beers, you need testosterone. So for you to get testosterone, please make sure that you run for 30 minutes every day. With this, you will achieve all these health benefits. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value from watching this video. Please be a member of this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to always get notified each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck, success and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.